This is Bee Lady. We're doing our last nuke, and we're going to share this one with you. This is the inside. 5 frames of something. You can tell I'm tired. I have some pictures and things to put up. Quite an experience. This has been quite an experience. Right, dear?
Yep.
Oh. I'm gonna go like my husband next time and just wear some jeans or something because he's doing it. Okay, so the first thing we're looking for the frame that has the least amount of anything, and that'll go in first. Okay, pretty white comb.
Same way.
Yeah, the same way. There, everything has to be identical. On this end, we have 2 frames from our storage. On this end, we have 2 frames from our storage. And I just want to show you real quick. Hold on, dear. I just want to show them real quick. We're giving them frames of like honey and wax and drawn out comb and everything, so they don't have to start from scratch.
This is basically just they're drawing out the comb.
They're drawing out the comb. That takes most of the work. So down here you'll see boxes. I don't know if you can see the boxes. I can see the boxes. What my husband did was he had all of the frames, all of our frames. Okay, here we're getting brood.
Fantastic.
So you know what brood looks like, everybody. So this is brood on the other side. Yep, got it. Yep, we got it. Just stick that.
I don't want to keep it in there
because it's cool,
cool
today. Thank God we have a beautiful breeze, or else this would have been impossible. The drive was long but pleasant. The company, once we got there, was amazing. An amazing couple. Homeschool, live off grid, and I could do it where they live. Okay, more brood. All of a sudden I feel like I live in a crowded area and we're pretty remote. Okay, so the nuke goes here. The nuke frames go in the center, and then on either side go other frames. Now, one disadvantage that beginning beekeepers have is they'll have like empty frames. And an advantage that experienced or people that have bees, you know, if you know you're going to be building up the next year, you save, you know, you'll save. These are deeps too, like we save deeps of honey, deeps of drawn out comb, deeps of wax. Here it is. And an empty frame on the end. I forgot why, but you just do.
They draw out the comb because you have to replace the frames when the comb gets too dark.
Oh yeah.
You need new comb.
Okay, this is the nuke box. You can see there's a screen in the bottom. There's a screen in the front. We had these packed in our car. I had my windows down. You know, they have to stay cool. So we've been working quickly, but so far everybody's happy. We're trying something new this year with the top boards. Screen inner cover as opposed to the solid inner covers.
Which was Jerome's idea.
Jerome Beekeeping
recommended
these. Jerome's Beekeeping.
So thank you, Jerome.
Thank you, Jerome. And so we're doing that, and then of course the top. I'm going to sit on this table. I am exhausted, folks.
Watch it.
Whoops. I don't care. I'm at that point. So that is the last one. I feel like singing Glory Hallelujah. There they are. 27 new nukes. They're all active. They're all going to town. We got these great, wonderful, professional numbers. If you can see. Yipper. So, oh, and my smoker, which says All of my equipment says mommy on the back. Yeah. Oh, here's a little bee. Where you going, bee? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I don't even know if you all can see him. But anyway, that's what we're doing here. So we're done. Now we're going to pack up everything, head up to our home, up that way, on the same property. Okay. And I'm probably not going to do anything the rest of the day. It's a good feeling. It's not that difficult. You know, installing Nucs is very easy. Not difficult at all.
Almost exactly 3 hours.
To install all of
Yep.
them,
Yep.
almost exactly 3 hours. So, you know, we took our time and took a couple of breaks and drove here and there to keep them, you know, out of the sun. And that worked. So that's it. And I'm probably going to upload this one to YouTube. The others are like just little clips and whatnot. So I'll make a video show of those. Okay, bye.